In this video, we're going to go over how to use the Capital One virtual card in store. Now, first, I want you to launch up your Capital One app. Go to your virtual card, and then here you can see all your card details, your account number, your expiration date, CVV code, everything. And then what you need to do, guys, is you need to add this to a digital wallet. For example, let's say your Apple Wallet or even your Google Play wallet, right? Your Google Pay. So once you launch your Apple Pay wallet, you come to the top right, click on this plus icon, and then I want you to click on debit or credit card. So we're going to be adding our virtual card. So here I want you to go ahead and click on continue, and you can go ahead and manually enter in all the details you want to your Apple Pay wallet. And then when you are at checkout, you just select the payment method that uses your digital wallet, for example, Apple Pay or Google Pay. Then you just use your phone or device to make the payment as you normally would. But otherwise, it's really that easy and simple. So if you found this helpful, make sure you smash that like button and subscribe to Find Your Solution. I'll see you in the next one.